getting a little attached.
Well, her birthday's September.
I know it. It's got that balloon blowing right there. It's your day. Perfect. She's got a friend. Travel size. I mean, can't go wrong. Don't talk back.
Francis, get one for Brandon. Francis.
Would you like one of those for your birthday, or would you rather have a bigger one? A bigger one.
A big one.
A bigger one.
You would like to have a bigger one for your birthday.
Would you like a full size?
They're full.
Okay. They have them. They have them.
Oh.
Ooh, a double whopper.
Francis can get to Brandon for when he gets married. Get Brandon one.
She's not going to give that away.
To get married, get two for a gift. Oh God, that makes me sick looking at it.
Oh.
Now, friends have
Woohoo, look at me. Woohoo.
June, come here. Somebody wants to see you.
Come on, June. We got somebody. Somebody wants to dance with you. Come on, go dance. Come on, you guys up strutting it while it go.